Normally we wouldn't make a video about someone doing his laundry, but this isn't just any washing machine. In fact, it isn't just a washing machine. It's a washer and dryer combo, and it's a really unique one at that. It's called the Equator Super Combo. As you can see, it's super tiny. It's meant to fit in small spaces and small apartments, and the reason why you would buy it is because it is both a washer and a dryer. That means you put your laundry in, you press a button, you wait, and it comes out clean and dry. Or at least in theory. One of the reasons that we're testing this particular model is because it's really unique even among other combo washer and dryers, of which there are a few out there. First of all, it is both a vented and ventless dryer. So you can hook it up to a vent if you have one, or you can use it as a condenser dryer if you don't. Something that's a little interesting is that as I ran it on condenser mode, water started to collect here on this vent to the point that it started dripping down the front of the machine. So just make sure you know where you have this and you're not putting it anywhere you don't want to get wet. It also plugs into a regular outlet. You don't need a 220, 240 volt outlet like most big full-size dryers have. Finally, you can buy a portability kit for it, so you can just hook it up to a sink and put it on wheels. So if you don't have space for a dryer and washer in your apartment, you can buy this one and hook it up. Now, our expert testers have gone through and put this through the same tests that all the other washers and dryers that we get in our labs get. But I'm doing my laundry in it to see how it holds up against the real-world American-sized load of towels and laundry. It's been in there for almost 3 hours. Now remember, that's for washing and drying, and I didn't have to switch it from one machine to the next. But there is a bit of an odd kind of smoky smell coming from the machine that's been the case the whole week we've been testing it. It has about 12 minutes left on it. Let's check back as soon as it's done. All right, time for the big reveal. Is my laundry... Well, I know with most condenser dryers that it's supposed to be a bit damp. At first blush, this is a little more than damp, so I'm going to leave this here. A comforter is always tough because, well, in this case, a duvet cover is always tough because it rolls in on itself. But oh boy, there's a little dry spot here, but the rest is very, very wet. See? Dry, wet, dry, wet. And it is fine to have clothes damp when they come out of the washer. In fact, that's actually better for them. It means that they haven't been over-dried. But this is decidedly wet. Now, I know this is a lot of laundry for a little machine, and I didn't expect it to get fully dry, but there is a reason why I did this, and that's because 2 towels, a pillowcase, and a duvet cover really are an average load of laundry for an average American. So the moral of the story here is that unless you're line drying things afterwards and just using this to take some of the extra moisture out, you're probably going to have to do a lot smaller load of laundry or really change your expectations of what a laundry machine should do if you buy this super combo.